So check it out. First off, I got my old camera back. Somehow I accidentally ran it over with a car, and now I have to help pull the lens out. But other than that, you got to be impressed. But here's my latest build, and I wasn't really sure what I was going to paint it. And then I happened to remember that this is close to our 250th anniversary of our country, so I thought maybe a patriotic theme might be good for it. And so I made this thing out of a resin mold. I decided to keep the one that was with it. I'll use it for if I want to keep one original, and if that piece is missing. And then I put a Marx E7 motor, one of the older styles, in it. And then I made the vellum silhouette strips. There's an LED light strip in there and 2 LEDs, one for the headlight and also one to light up the cab. And then I put some clear plastic across on the inside. And I made the decals and got everything cleaned up. I think it looks really sharp. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. I finally got that track anyway cleared. I've still got more work to do. And it's got a great running E7 motor in it. And I made a little tether for it, so when I get some cars, hopefully soon, I can light them as well. And I'll just hook them all right to the locomotive with this tether and a quick disconnect plug on it. So hopefully maybe at a train show I'll be able to pick up some rusty cars that I can clean up for it. We'll pick it up and follow it around. There we go. You can see the interior lighting there, and that won't show once we get the cars hooked up, obviously. And we'll set the camera back down. Poor camera is the one I always take with me, so it's been through the mill, but it's been a good one. It's a little Canon point and shoot. And we're going around here one more time. Alright, and that's got a great running motor in it. So keep an eye out. We'll be hopefully getting some cars to paint to go with it, and again we'll make more decals. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord, and hoping everyone has and want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas.